Hello students, here in this session we are going to discuss a very important problem from programming in C and which is asked in GATE CS 2021. Very important question. The question is given like this. This is a ANSI C program given to you. ANSI means the standard following by the program given by ANSI, American National Standard Institute. So all the standards that C compiler should have, C library should have, that is followed by this, right? It simply means that this is a standard ANSI C program, and you need to answer after reading this code that which one of the following statement below is correct about the program. Which one of the following statement is correct about the program, right? So let me read out the statement first. Upon execution, the program create a linked list of 5 nodes. Upon execution, the program goes into an infinite loop. It has a missing return, which will be reported as an error by compiler, and it dereferences an uninitialized pointer that may result in a runtime error. So basically, if you are going to see, option C is false, because if return is missing, then it can't report as an error, because return is always optional. It is always optional. So C is not an answer. Now we need to focus on A, B, and C. So basically, if you are going to focus on this portion, on this first for loop, right? This first for loop, then what this first for loop is doing, head ka value equals to index, and using malloc we are creating a linked list. So this for loop, initially head ka value equals to index and box E equals to head. One more block is there. So ultimately this block is going to create 4 nodes linked list. 4 nodes linked list is going to created by this for loop. So option A is also wrong, because it is mentioning that 5 nodes. 5 nodes is not there, 4 nodes is there, right? Thereafter, this for loop index 0 to index 3 is going to run, and this printf statement is going to work. This printf statement is going to work. Every time this is going to print that value at index 0 is index, that is 0, and then value at index D is D. After making head ka equals to head ka next, after making the movement in head pointer, it is going to print it. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. It would be the output which will be printed by this printf and this printf respectively, right? So this is the second for loop output. Now the question is that upon execution, the program goes into infinite loop. No. It is not going to infinite loop. Till the value of this index is correct, it's going to work. So it is not going to be infinite. But yes, after that, box equals to boxN. So at the last point, what is going to happen? boxN is going to reference, because every time, if let's say this is our linked list created by this, so at that moment, box E and box N is going to refer this, right? So at that point, this is okay. But after that, this box N is going to referencing something else which is not in the memory. So basically, this part is having error. We can correct also this error. We can, if we add a line like box N equals to box N ka next, or we can simply say that box N ka next equals to null simply. Box N ka next equals to null at the last, then because last pointer must be null. If it is not null, it's going to dereference. That is why it dereferences an uninitialized pointer that may result in a runtime error. Hence, option D is the correct answer for the GATE question. But the concept is that, yeah, we can correct box N ka next equals to null, because at the last pointer must be null. Last node pointer must be null. It's a pointing pointer must be null, right? That is the concept they have used here. So option D is the correct answer. However, if first for loop is going to work as a for node creation, second for loop is going to be printf 00112233, and thereafter it's going to dereference uninitialized pointer, right? So this is the concept. Option D is the correct answer. So I hope the concept is very much clear to you. If you are having any kind of doubt or confusion, you can comment in the section and I will try to resolve them as early as possible. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.